Hey, hello everyone, this is Vishal Boyer. Today we are going to unbox the Apple Pencil 1. So let us take out the plastic, and over here we will get to the side and we will pull it apart. We will pull out the box which is having the paperwork. So over here you are looking at the charging connector, lightning charging connector, and an extra tip they are providing, and then some of the paperwork. So let us keep those aside and let us get us directly to the Apple Pencil. Let us unwrap this, take out the plastic, and you can see over here this is looking beautiful, completely white, and there is Apple Pencil engraving on it. You can see this, and then this is the tip, the very important that we are going to use. So let us see how we can set up this with the iPad 9. You can use this pencil with any iPad 6, 7, 8 and the recently launched iPad 9. Let us go to the setting, and you are just going to connect with the lightning port. You just need to insert it into the lightning port of the iPad, and as soon as you connect it, just wait for a few seconds. One of the message will appear for Bluetooth pairing request. Just allow it to pair, and now the Apple Pencil is paired. So this is that much simple. You will be greeted with the welcome screen for Apple Pencil. To check the status of the battery of Apple Pencil 1, just hold on to your home screen, tap the plus icon and go to the battery widget. You can see it is over here. Just click and add it onto your home screen, and this will enable us to observe how much battery is left as well as the charging status of Apple Pencil 1. You can see it will appear over here in this particular widget, so it becomes easy. You can see our Apple Pencil 1 is charging over here, and the setup is now complete. So just detach the Apple Pencil and use it with your iPad 9, and in this way you can easily use the Apple Pencil 1 with the basic iPad. Thank you. Bye bye.